Hello, assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear YouTube subscriber and viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common issue on the laptop. It's Lenovo C340 with Core i7 processor. In this laptop, the original keyboard is faulty keys sticking, not responding, or just misbehaving. For regular use, it need to replace the keyboard. So I will guide you through the full disassembly and replace process step by step. In the Lenovo IdeaPad C340 series, models like 340-14 IML, 15 IWL, etc. The keyboard is not easily replaceable on its own. It's riveted with plastic tabs to the uppercase assembly, which includes the palmrest and touchpad. The recommended and cleanest way is to replace the entire uppercase with a new one that comes pre-installed with the keyboard. This ensures perfect fit and feel. Trying to separate just the keyboard involves cutting rivets, which can be risky and make them new feel bouncy or loose. I'll cover both options, but I strongly suggest the full assembly for the best results. Before starting, gather your tools, plates, screwdrivers, plastic press tools, snaggers, tweezers, and static wrist strap if possible. Find a clean workspace and take photos of each for reassembly reference. Always power off the laptop, unplug it, and work safely to avoid static damage. Important notes, and I actually voice after the video shoot. That's why the video and the voice are not corrected. Now I'm separating the keyboard's part, the metal, and this is the keyboard. You see, to separate the keyboard, this is the faulty one I removed now, and now this is the new one. I'm checking it's perfectly fittings or not, is the exact model or not. Now I will plug it, I will assemble it to this board upper side. I have to melt new plastic stubs using a soldering iron on spare plastics or strong adhesive. This can be tricky and imperfect. Actually, I'm seeing it taking this. I add the old laptop backlit with new one, because my new one didn't have the backlit, didn't come with backlit. That's why I removed the old faulty backlit keyboard. Now again I'm going to reassembly. I have to reassemble just like I disassembled the laptop, exactly the same way. Otherwise it can get fault, it can get damage. This is the customer's laptop. Okay, I don't want to add lots of boys. I don't have mode, so you will see that I have successfully revived the customer Lenovo IdeaPad C340 by fixing that faulty keyboard. This repair saves money over buying new and extend laptop's life. Always backup data first, and if you're unsure, consider professional help. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more repair tutorials, and comment below with questions or your experience. Share your model if you run into issue. I might cover it next. Thanks for watching. Stay safe with your tech projects and see you soon. Okay.
Todo lo que veas, porque sabes lo que es la todo lo que veas, todito, todito. Todito, todito.
you guys for watching the whole video. If you like this video, please hit the like button.